If you want to change your site logo and title in Elementor, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest and most recommended way to update your brand identity directly inside the Elementor editor, so your website looks consistent across every page. This is a simple change, but it can make a huge difference in how professional your site looks. Before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Elementor and WordPress tips. Alright, let's get started. First, open any page or post on your website and click Edit with Elementor. This will launch the Elementor editor, where you can access your site-wide settings. Once the editor loads, look at the upper left corner of the widget panel. You should see the site settings icon, which may look like 3 horizontal lines or a settings sliders icon. Click that to open the main Elementor settings menu. From here, scroll through the available options and click on Site Identity. This is the section where Elementor keeps your logo, title, and favicon settings. If you're updating your brand, this is the place you want to be. Now you'll see the option for your site logo. Click the Choose Image box and Elementor will let you upload a new logo from your computer or select one from your media library. When choosing a logo, make sure the file is clear and high quality. SVG is great if your site supports it, while PNG is usually the safest option for transparency. JPG can also work if that's what you have available. After selecting your logo, you can adjust or confirm it if needed. If your website title is also part of your brand identity, this is a good moment to check that your site name is correct as well. Next, look for the Site Favicon setting. A favicon is the small icon that appears in browser tabs, bookmarks, and sometimes mobile shortcuts. For best results, use a square image, ideally around 512 by 512 pixels, so it displays properly in all places. Click to upload your favicon, choose the image, and confirm it. Once your logo and favicon are updated, the final step is very important. Click Update or Save Changes to apply everything site-wide. This ensures your new branding appears across your website instead of just on one page. After saving, it's a good idea to open your site in a new tab and refresh the page to confirm the new logo and title are showing correctly. If you also use a WordPress theme or another site identity setting outside Elementor, double check that the changes are not being overridden elsewhere. But in most cases, Elementor's site identity settings will handle the branding update cleanly and efficiently. This is why it's the recommended method for making quick brand changes without editing each page individually. So now you know how to change your site logo and title in Elementor the right way. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.